First of all, you eliminate all distractions. You eliminate basically every single source of instant gratification within your life, within your framework, right? Everything that will spike your dopamine levels, everything that is fun. If you eliminate those things from your day and you have, let's say, the work you want to do as an optional thing, as the only escape from your boredom, then suddenly your baseline for fun will actually change, and you will actually realize that you can have fun working, you can have fun building your online business, you can have fun recording videos, you can have fun actually doing the work, coming up with ideas, writing. Fuck me, that's an amazing day when you realize that you can actually have fun working, creating. Bro, that's when you're unstoppable. And I'm giving you the keys to actually do that. This is the thing, man. Whoever tells you otherwise is lying. There's a bunch of morning routines that could actually be very helpful for you. But to be honest, probably the most hardcore of all, the one that will get you results always, is just jumping straight into work. Imagine if you wake up and you, let's say, you identify the task that is the most important for you, and you wake up and do it. No morning meditation, no cold shower, no running in the park, no all that. You just wake up and record your videos, for example, or build your courses online, or do cold calling for your business. Of course, routine and these good habits are important, but imagine if you were like a really committed entrepreneur and you wanted to make real money with this. The fastest way to actually start making that is simply waking up. Let's say you usually wake up at 8. You could wake up at 4 and work fasted for 4 hours. And at 8, you start your day with whatever you're going to do. I do not suggest you to do any bad habits. As a matter of fact, what you could do in the rest of the day is pretty simple. You could meditate for mental health and for spiritual growth. After that, you could work out and spend the rest of the day just learning. Basically, almost an 80% of your day just learning, reading. More specifically, you can jump into, for example, YouTube educational content that is long format. But I do not recommend you to do that because it will degenerate very quickly into entertainment. And it's easy to fall for that. If you are, let's say, following a course along on, let's say, school or something like that, I do recommend you to do that, but be very careful with school, because in school can become also social media very easily, because you're interacting with people all the time. So one of the best ways to actually interact with people, if you really want to foster a sense of community and start getting most of the benefits from talking with people who are in the same line of thought as you, with people who are into self-improvement, trying to get better, and you can talk business and you can talk self-improvement tips and recommend back and forward good books. I would recommend you to directly just schedule calls with them, just video calls. Google Meet, for example, is a good option, or get a mentor. like a coaching one-on-one or something like that, it's very useful. I am doing coaching one-on-one for free, 30 minutes. It would be something like probably per week, like 30 minutes per week or something like that, and I'm doing it for free. So you can book a call on the Calendly description. So I do recommend you to do that if you're interested on learning more from me. If you think that like you're getting value from my videos and you believe that you want to join this community I'm building up here. Next videos I'm going to be talking more about what I'm actually doing with this community, because my plan for this is basically, oh boy, this is going to be a crazy one. I wasn't expecting to actually talk about this in this video, but I don't know, let's just roll with it. The thing is, on school I plan to integrate a couple of courses, right? I'm going to open up school for free, and what I'm going to be doing there is I'm going to teach you how to level up your life, basically just getting into self-improvement, holistic self-improvement consistently, just get into a good mental health framework in which you can actually do the work. Let's say get you into meditation, working out, and reading. On top of that, we're going to build up basically your skill, your monetizable skill. We're probably going to be building up your personal brand here on YouTube, and I'm going to teach you how to make money online, just like I'm making right now. And that's basically the whole framework. But I still don't find the words to describe this shit, so I'm going to wait to describe it better for you in upcoming videos, because anyways, I don't think the link for that school community is going to be up and running when I release this video. So there you go. This is the video. So remember, bro, delusion backed up by words alone is just delusion, but delusion backed up by relentless action, that's called faith, bro. Duty, honor, and pride. I'll see you in the next